Welcome to this video in which we will create this pattern by using the linear pattern command. So let's begin. First of all, select file, click on new, select part and then click OK. Select the front plane, click on sketch. Then simply make a center rectangle at this origin. Now select smart dimension and set the length of this line as 200 millimeter and this line as 150 millimeter. Then go to features and in the features select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 100 millimeter and then check this box. Now change the background to plain white and assign some appearance to this part. Go to metal and in this steel option specify this or any other appearance you like. And now select this face, click on sketch option, make a circle here, and now let's specify the diameter. Go to smart dimension, select this circle and make the diameter of the circle as 15 mm. Select the center of the circle and this line and specify the distance as 15 mm. Similarly, select this line and the center of the circle and specify the distance as 15. Now go to features, select extruded cut command and in the direction 1 specify through all rather than blind and just check this box and here the hole has been created, you can see. And now go to this linear pattern command and in this direction 1 specify this edge. Now let's specify the distance between the holes. I'm specifying as 20 and now select this features and faces window and then select this circle. Now increase the number of circles here and here you can see the pattern has been created. And now specify the direction to select this window and then select this edge and here you can see the pattern has been created. Now adjust this pattern by specifying here 24.5 mm and now we are done here. Check this box and here you can see the pattern has been created. Now let's make another pattern. Select this face and click on sketch, make a circle here and then select smart dimension and specify the diameter as 15 millimeter. From center to this line the distance is 15 and from center to the other line the distance is also 15. And then select this linear sketch pattern and in the x-axis select this edge and in y-axis, that is direction 2, select this edge. Okay, so features and faces, select this circle and here in direction 1 increase the number and adjust the distance between the circle. 35 mm is the distance and the number is 3. Similarly increase this number and here you can see they should be in the opposite direction. So here in this option you can change the direction of the pattern. And now let's specify the distance between the circles. Just click enter and here you can see they are adjusted now and then check this box. Now it's time to cut these. For that go to features, select extruded cut, make sure that you have specified through all and then click OK. So here the pattern has been created. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.